Hi everyone, this video is about Love 2 single items. For Love 2, we included several items as single items. Props, you can place exactly where you want. Today we're going to use the pin. What are pins for, if not to be placed wherever we fancy? In Love 2, we have this cute 8-bit pin, and we can attach it to any clothing item we like. For this tutorial, I'm using the Love 2 bra. I chose the bra because it's a tricky placement area, one that moves a lot. In most cases, you can simply parent an item to a body part, either on the character or on a piece of clothing, and you're done. That's what you would do, for example, with earrings. However, in this case, once I move the pin under the bra's left pectoral and adjust it to fit my piece of clothing, this is what happens when I move the shoulder. It won't follow the shoulder movement. And that's why we're going to create a rigid follow node for our little pin. Okay, so let's get rid of this from our Scene tab and create the node. Select the Geometry Editor tool, and let's use the Wire Texture Shaded mode to better see the polygons on our bra. And we do have to select the bra and then choose a few polygons where you want the pin to sit. Right-click on the highlighted polygons, scroll to Geometry Assignment, and near the bottom choose Create Rigid Follow Node from Selected. Give the node a name that makes sense, so when you're scrolling through your Scene tab later, you immediately know what it is. Now we can go back to our pin, load it, and in our Scene tab we can drag it over the newly created node. This parents it to the node. The pin will snap into place, which is very handy. In this case, we still need to fine-tune the rotation to perfectly fit the bra. Okay, so I'll just hide the node crosshair here in the Scene tab. And finally now, when I move the shoulder, the pin stays exactly where it should. Alright, now we may want to save our pin to the library for future use. To do that, first we need to unparent the bra. We can either drag it out from under Genesis in the Scene tab, or select it and click Unparent. With the bra unparented and selected, go to File, Save as Wearable Preset. Choose the ideal location to save your prop. In my case, I'm adding the pin to the Love 2 folder that already contains similar items. And that's it. I've moved the bra again under Genesis, and now I delete the node from the scene and load the newly saved preset to confirm that everything works as intended. Now you can add pins to all your clothes. Thanks for watching the video, and until next time.